Hello, so I just wanted to give you a quick run through of how the NC Reality Check website works. So first you are going to click on the Get Started button. Then you are going to fill in where you live. You can do that by zip code. Then you would click Go. Then you're going to go through all of these questions. You can either type in your monthly cost if you know what it is, or it breaks it down for you if you don't have the exact amounts. You're just going to keep clicking Next. I'm going to leave it all the same, just to save time for the purpose of this exercise. Then once it's all done, you'll go to summary page, and at the top just make sure you have the correct household size so that everything is accurate, and then it will tell you what the minimum household income needs to be in order for you to maintain all of the expenses that were listed. And then at the upper right you'll see the three little lines. Click on that, and that's where you will download the PDF document, and then you could save it. That's what you will submit for this week. You can also look up occupations that will help you make the annual and monthly salary that you need to in order to maintain that budget that you created as well. I hope some of this information is helpful. It is a reality check for many people who are not used to using budgets or who are not sure how much income the career choice that you're thinking about will be paid. So please delve into this activity and get as much knowledge as you can.